What is up guys, done at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Google Gmail IMAP. So first you need to head over to your Google Gmail website and then log in with your Gmail account credentials. And after that, when you're redirected to the inbox section, from here on the right side at the top, you need to click on the settings icon. And after clicking on settings, you need to click on see all settings. After clicking on see all settings, here the new window of all settings will open. From here at the top, you need to click on forwarding and pop up IMAP. And from here, you will see the IMAP access. So you can just set this IMAP accesses according to your vision requirement, like when I mark a message in IMAP, when a message is marked as deleted and expunged from the list visible map, or font size limits if you want to set any. And when you are done, you'll just see the option of save changes pop up. Simply click on the save changes option and then your changes will be saved. And this is how you can set up the IMAP access to your Gmail. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.